This video is going to give you an overview of the Rombus Mail web portal. Okay, so to access the web portal online, open up your web browser and go to www.rombusmail.com. At the login screen, enter your email address and your password. If you want to remember your login details, click the Remember Me tick box here, otherwise click Login. Once logged in, the first page you'll see is the My Today page. This gives you a summary of your email account. You can see any unread messages, calendar entries, disk space limits, tasks and RSS items. If you have any reminders, a pop-up box like this will pop up. Select your reminder and then you can choose from the following options down here. Click the Close button to close the window. To create some new items, select the New option here. For an email, select New Message. You can also create new folders by selecting a new folder from the Actions menu here. If you want to go straight to your emails, select the Inbox option. To view each message, select the email, and on the right hand side the page will refresh with the contents of that email. To create a new email, select the New option here, or you can mark emails like this, move emails and delete emails. You can also refresh your inbox by clicking the Refresh button. To reply, forward, delete and add tasks for emails, select these options here. You can also print by selecting the Print button. If you want to save a contact, you can hover over the To field and then you can select Add Contact to your address book. Fill in all the information and select Save. Click the New button to create a new email. Select who you want to send the email from if you have more than one account, and by clicking the To, the CC or BCC, you can insert a contact from your address book. Otherwise, type in which email address you want to send to, your subject, edit your email, and then click Send. If you think an email has gone into your junk email folder, you can check so by clicking on the junk email folder here. If you find the email that you're looking for within your junk email inbox, right click on the email, select Mark and then Not Spam. This will move the email back into your inbox, and then following emails will not be marked as spam. Down the left hand side on this menu are all the other options available to you. The first one here is Contacts. If you've added any contacts in the web portal or synced the web portal with your Outlook client, you'll see your existing contacts down the left hand side here. You can still create new messages or other options here, but you can also import and export contacts or send an email to the selected contact. Clicking on the contact here displays a summary and then any related items down below. The next option on the menu is the calendar. You can view your calendar either by weekly, monthly, or you can view all your appointments. To add a new calendar entry, select New Appointment from the menu. Once you've completed all your information, select Save. Here's an example of a test one I've added earlier. To view or filter your appointments in the calendar, use this menu here, or select Print to print them out. The next two entries on the menu are Tasks and your Notes. Use the New menu here to add new tasks or notes, or to organize them, use the Action menu. The next option is the Synchronization Center. If you want this displayed when you log into the web portal, select the Show Login box here, otherwise untick it. The Synchronization Center window displays all the options for synchronizing external devices with Rombus Mail. Click on them to see the options on the right hand side. You can also see which options are available for Outlook or other email clients, and you can see if you have any activated. If you subscribe to any RSS feeds, you'll be able to see them here. To add, edit or delete them, use these options here. The next option is the file storage area. You can upload a file by clicking the button here. Select the file and click open. This will start to upload the file into your file storage area. If you want to delete or download the file, select it and then click download or delete. Once a file is uploaded into your web portal, you can access it again from anywhere by logging back in. If your domain has any reporting or events set up, you'll be able to view these options here. Otherwise, we'll continue on to the settings. The first option are your account settings. Here you can change any webmail options, composing options, and if you want your email addresses to be forwarded on to another mailbox. You can change the options for your profile here, and if you want to add an autoresponder, for example if you're going on holiday, you can do that here. Select enable, type in your message, and then click save. To disable it, simply untick and click save again. Trusted senders can be added to bypass any spam filtering. To add a trusted sender, select the new option here, and type in a domain or email address and click save. As you can see, here's an example here. You may want to add a signature to your outgoing mail. Go into the signature option here, select new, create your signature name and select save. Here's one I made earlier, and select save. If you go back to the signature option here, if you have more than one mail address, you can assign a different signature to a different address. When you now create a new message, you can see that the signature has already been added. If you want to synchronize your email client with the web portal, you can do so by downloading the client utilities here. If you want to use it for Outlook, you can download it here. If filtering or advanced settings are enabled, you can select these options here. You can add custom filters and custom spam settings here, such as overriding them for your domain. You can also choose autocomplete and further options here. Finally, the last option is the search. Enter the search text here, select search, and then if you want you can filter by appointments, contacts and email, and if you double click you can open the appointment or email it refers to. To perform a new search, select the reset button here and then enter your new search criteria. If at any point through the web interface you get a bit stuck, you can select the help option up here. You can then choose to search the online help, or you can search for the help topics just for this page. Otherwise, if you finish your session in the web portal, you can select log out. So that's it for the web portal demo. To check out our other videos, go to rombus.com. Thanks.